Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use a table of values to estimate the value of the limit as t approaches 0 of 5 to the t minus 1 over t. So what we have to do is we have to choose values that are approaching 0, right, getting closer and closer to 0, and then plug them into our fraction 5 to the t minus 1 over t. So values that are closer and closer to 0, we can do 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, right, so these are getting closer and closer. By plugging these into here, right, obviously you can use your calculator, we get the following values. You get -9, -99, and -999. So you can probably see the pattern there. And then we also have to do it for values that are slightly less than 0, but approaching 0. So -0.1, -0.01, -0.001. And if you plug these into this equation, you get 11, 101, 1001, and so on. And so if you notice, these values are going off to negative infinity, and these values are going off to positive infinity. Therefore, since the left and right limits do not equal each other, the overall limit does not exist.